Ka jilla Meghalaya hadu ka shipoba jim step jongka arpu khandai tarik unaitung kala don laingut ki bayot ma yo COVID-19 but arngut ki balakot no. Ka DHS ka pentip bana kini ki laingut ki bayot mai arngut ki dei na East Khasil District hakaba kini ki arngut ki dei na ki Armed Forces but iwei pat ide ibawan phai na bar jilla but ide na Ribahi District. Ki arngut ki bakot pat ki dei na East Khasil District. Dak jingi otmai kini gilangot ke jela Meghalaya hadu bapun mi yak ni ka khubor kada news pa prapu artli ki positive case sans pa prapu itli ki active case shis pa khandai phunrutli ki recovered case but sangut ki balakla no na kini ki sans pa prapu itli ki active case ka East Khasil District kada south pa nyop khandai itli ki active case hakaba ki sipai BSF ki dan aspa south itli ki active case ki reu pa ki dan aspa artli but ki Armed Forces ki dan life southly ka West Khasil District ki dan southly ka Ribahi District ki dan Sunful lightly ka West Jantia Hills khat lightly ka East Jantia Hills ki dan khat santly ka West Garo Hills khat waitly ka Southwest Garo Hills southly but ka North Garo Hills but ka East Garo Hills ki dan mar iwei active case